Hey, they'll show you an amazing new unlinked code, which you can use on your Fire Stick to get loads of amazing applications, such as movie apps, TV shows, live TV, live sports, and other kinds of apps. And the whole setup is actually really easy too, and it will take you only a couple of minutes. And thirdly, you'll need to get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. So if you already have Downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have Downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then of course just follow me. So we just have to go to search on the Fire Stick, open the search bar, and start typing Downloader in here. And as you can see, the Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So there was even no need to enter the whole name of the apps. You click on Downloader, and here's the app, which you need to get. But after you got Downloader, it's not over yet, because we still have to set it up. So now to do that, click that button with the gear icon, scroll down and open My Fire TV. So we open it, and from here, you have to turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then there's no need to worry because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the A/B debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and in here all you have to do is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So let's go back to a list of apps on the Fire Stick. Here it is, let's open it, and there is the downloader, which we just got. But before actually using the loader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say we connect to Austria right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go back to a list of apps on your device, locate Downloader, and let's finally open it. So open it up, go to the search bar, and now it's time to enter the link, which will be unlinked.link. So let's enter that together. Once again, it's unlinked dot link. So just like that, we enter the link right here, make sure to enter it exactly as you see, and then click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. Then this web page will open, and you'll have to scroll it down until you see that download for Android button. Click on download, and now the download of the app will start. Usually it doesn't take long. Then click install, and now Unlinked will be installed to the Fire TV Stick device. After that, do not click open yet, instead press done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on the Fire Stick. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you'll be able to save yourself some free space on the Fire Stick, and therefore it will be way easier for you to access the app every time. This way you will save yourself some free space on the Fire TV Stick device. And then we actually have to go to settings one more time, open my Fire TV, go to developer options, install on apps, and this time you have to locate Unlinked and turn this option on as well. So we could use Unlinked to get other apps from the internet for you. After that, when you open the list of applications, here it is, and now there is the Unlinked, which we just got. So first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way Unlinked will be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Then let's finally open it, click on add a new library, and here we have to enter the code. So let's enter that together. Just follow what I'm doing on the screen. So here's the code, just enter it as you see and then click on next. And now finally you get access to loads of amazing movie, TV shows, live TV, live sports and other kinds of applications. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact movies or applications available in here. But in your case, of course, it's not going to be blurred. So enjoy it all and see you next time. Bye bye.